Here's a little example of the wiring that's under the intake manifold. Here's the main harness, the wire right here. And here's the wire that goes to the... Oh, the only reason why I'm making this video is just to give you guys a little heads up on the wiring. So if you guys are going to do engine swap. So here's the wire that goes to the fuel injectors. There's a wire that goes somewhere. There's just wires everywhere. This is the camshaft sensor plug that connects right here in the middle. It connects to this one right here. It has wires for the knocker sensors right here that I unplugged. So pretty much it has these wires. It has two wires right here that come down here. And the wires go somewhere, and then it has like 4 wires that come across on top right here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 wires right there. Then it has the wires that go in the back. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wires. 1 wire that I know for sure it goes to the oil leveling sensor. 2 of them goes to shoots all the way to the back to the what are they called, the O2 sensors. Two of these wires shoot back there, and then and 2 of the other wires right here, they shoot to the transmission. This is for the automatic transmission, so that's where those wires go. So this is just a video giving you guys a little heads up of what you guys are going to be dealing with if you do a engine swap. So there's a wire right here that shoots across that connects to the sensor. I don't know the name of it, but it connects to there. And then this one connects to another sensor right here. And then it splits off into 2. This one connects to the wire harness, and this one right here. This one right here connects to the knocker sensor right here. No, that's not a knocker sensor. It's another sensor. The knocker sensor is right here. There's 2 of them on both sides. So this is another sensor. I think it has to do something with the timing of this car. But yeah, so that's just a little heads up. So guys, thank you for watching, and subscribe for more future videos.